Hello friends, this tutorial will show you how to find the Union Adventist University Financial Questionnaire. First, navigate to Union's website at uau.edu. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Portal from the footer menu. You will be required to log in using your Union ID and password that were sent to you separately in an email after you were accepted to Union. When Portal loads, scroll down until you find the button with an icon of a piggy bank that says My Financial Aid. In the My Financial Aid window, be sure to check the current award year in the top right corner. Make sure it says 2025-2026. Next, click Menu in the top left corner of the screen, and then select Financial Questionnaire from the drop-down menu. Select the available questionnaire option. Fill out the entire questionnaire, and then click Save and Submit at the bottom. Remember, if you have questions, reach out to us at 402-486-2504 or email us at enroll@uau.edu. I look forward to seeing you this fall.